Well, do you ever feel like as the temperature starts to rise and summer hits that mozzies make a beeline straight for you? Well, it's not your imagination, it turns out.
No, it's not. Scientists have discovered they're one step closer to identifying what leads mosquitoes to bite some people over others, with the international study finding it's all in the genes. Dr Gordana Rasic from the Queensland Institute of Medical Research's Mosquito Control Laboratory joins us now. What a great name. Gordana, good morning to you. You were part of this international study into the genetics of the insect. What gene was discovered and how does it lead mosquitoes to bite some people rather than others? Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. Well, it's been a very exciting time for me and people from QMR to participate in this large international endeavor that included 72 researchers around the globe, led by the Rockefeller University in New York. We were frustrated because for the last 10 years we've been working with bits and pieces of genetic code of the dengue mosquito. And that really hindered us in understanding their biology. And when in 2015-16 Zika outbreak happened, we decided to join our forces because none of us independently could have done it. So basically we glued these thousands of pieces together into one complete genetic blueprint for this mosquito. And so now we know which genes are there and where they are along the chromosome. And during that process, we actually found many new genes we didn't know existed in this mosquito that actually help them smell their environment, including humans.
Okay.
And that really puts us a step closer to actually understanding how exactly they hunt us.
So what does that mean for mosquito-borne viruses like malaria and also Zika virus you mentioned?
So the dengue fever mosquito is actually transmitting dengue, Zika, chikungunya. Malaria is transmitted by different kinds of mosquitoes. So our research is really providing a huge resource that powers all that comes afterwards. So basically we now are currently very much struggling to control the dengue fever mosquito around the world. It affects around 400 million people every year.
Yeah.
And we are really reliant on chemicals that kill insects called insecticides, but this mosquito has been really successful in evolving resistance,
Right.
so we can't kill it that easily.
Yeah. How do they do that, Gordana? How do they become resistant to the repellent?
There are many mechanisms, but major chemicals that are killing them that we use are basically targeting their neural system, so their nerves, and basically paralyze them and then kill them. So they evolve mutations that kind of don't allow these chemicals to attack their nerve system, basically.
Okay.
Wow. So what's the next stage of your research, Gordana? Where to next for this?
So we are now really enabled and empowered to do different kinds of solutions and try to find different solutions for battling this mosquito. So we could design maybe better insecticides if we understand exactly how they evolve resistance. If we also understand, and we will in the future, how they transmit these viruses, we can engineer mosquitoes that are unable to transmit them.
Yeah.
Or we could also even create mosquitoes that are basically not turning into biting females, so we can actually crash their population.
It's important work. Good on you, and thank you for telling us about it this morning. Thank you, Gordana.
Thank you so much.
You don't get bitten, right?
I don't get bitten.
No,
No.
lucky. I do, but more when I was younger, or maybe I was just outside more
I
when
don't
I was
think there's
younger.
any scientific research to support
not.
that theory.